Ohayou gozaimasu and welcome back to the Tokai Shizen Hodo. It's day 7 and we are walking out of this, well, ugly little piece of Kyoto into the mountains again. We're heading back to nature. It is the Tokai Nature Trail after all. And we're heading to Kurama today, out in the hills north of Kyoto. So things will definitely improve from the vision we've had so far. All right. Well, let's get this road walk done. Oh, U-turn. Don't be daydreaming on this forest road up above Oiwa. Sharp little turn there. I could have been wandering off into goodness knows what. Well, it's been a pleasant little forest walk up that road and trail from Oiwa. Now we're plunging down on the Kurama side of the mountains and popping out at Ninose. Then we have a little road walk up to Kurama. From there, hopefully just a little road walk. I imagine it should only take about 40 minutes. All being well, as long as I don't get run over. Oh, the road's even closed here. Crikeys. Detour. Okay. Let's go.
Okay.
This is the junction to THRU-HIKE. We get a nice view back over to the temple at Kurama. Let's go do that.
Do we have to?
Come on, we're only 20 minutes in. What's going on?
Let's go to Shizen.
We're going to go to Shizen Hodo. Let's climb the mountain first.
Oh, do we have to?
Yes. Come on, woman. Let's get up this hill. Day 8 on the Tokai Shizen Hodo, and I've got a lazy hiker joining me. She dragged me off the trail the other day with a, I don't know, tofu lunch.
Oh, you had what we said it.
Huh?
Not me.
And then we got delayed in Kurama.
You wanted to taste the monk food.
I don't know.
You are the far end of the monk, from the monk.
What?
You're the far the other end.
The furthest kind of character from a monk there should be.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying? I don't know why I hike with this person. Anyway, let's go up to Ryozan and get a nice view over to Kurama. You're supposed to walk with me to make the shot look good.
Huh?
Somebody, Cut. Hey, take 2. Here we are, I think. There's a little monument. Oh, look at that. to Bumitoge, 300 meters. Ohara, this way. Ready? No, we were doing it on the video. So just walk. No, just walk normally, like a normal human. I don't know, that's too wobbly. Coming to the Ohara bus stop now, and that'll be the end of the day. Just a short one. Got to go home and work now. Put in a couple of hours work. We'll catch you on the next one.